Alright guys, so in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to withdraw your upcoming airdrop from dogs. Okay, so first you guys will notice the connect to wallet button, but it's not necessary to select that or to connect your wallet, but there's a more efficient way on withdrawing your airdrop. So instead of selecting connect your wallet, choose deposit to exchange. Now you guys noticed that there were two methods to withdraw your airdrop, but I strongly recommend you guys to choose exchange. Now each one of these exchanges has their own campaigns and promotions. When you withdraw your airdrop to one of these exchanges, you can actually avoid paying any gas fees. Now here are the available exchanges where you guys can transfer your airdrop. While they all have their own campaigns, I personally recommend you guys transferring to OKX. So they're running a campaign wherein they're giving away $10,000 worth of dogs. So if you guys don't already have an account, you guys can actually register using the link in the description box down below. So here are the information that you'll be needing in order to deposit your airdrop. So all of the information needed to fill these out are this out can be found in the OKX app. So now we're at the homepage of the OKX app. Just click the icon on the top left corner and it'll direct you to the settings and you'll see your profile. So just click your profile and you'll see your UID and you'll just copy it and paste it to the dogs app. In order for you to get the dogs deposit address and memo, just go back to your homepage and click assets on the lower right corner and it'll direct you to a new page. Just click deposit and then deposit crypto. Okay, so in the search bar, type in dogs, then click dogs and choose Dogston as your preferred network. Then it'll direct you to a new page. Okay, so in here, you'll see the dogs deposit address and comment. Comment is just the same as memo. So what you're gonna do now is just copy these two and paste it in the dogs app and then you're done. So now we just have to wait for the official announcement as of when the airdrop will arrive. Now if you find this video helpful, please do give it a like and subscribe.